You could not get pride again.
Now
that the problem get healed. But when you see Jesus first prayed, and his first saw that people were like trees, and he prayed again. Many times and you see very well. Up to when you get what you want. I prayed for one thing. From 9 to 5. I got it in 2000. But all the ways I was praying, I prayed for another thing from my childhood. It was disturbing me. I prayed, I didn't get tired. I fasted, I didn't get tired. I preached on 20 years. I read on 30 years, 40 years. I read on 45 years. But you don't know what it is. I didn't go out of it until I get it. Pray for your questions. You get it. It will get finished. Doesn't matter what years you have been as Jesus prayed and prayed up to when he said, I can see very well. Pray until you see when you are as you know as you want. Will I get the man to marry me? Will I sleep in a good house? Many questions are here. One time will come and I drive a car. When your heart is worried, the Bible says that the righteous whatever he desires will get it. You pray until when God reveals that to you. Many go to theirs. Who don't know Jabez? The poor have go to their things. The barren have go to theirs, have produced. The sick have been healed. But they were healed again. You have so many questions and you know what Lord will do it. Give it unto him. This one which I have wanted, wherever I have done it, he's not a liar to know. You will do it. How can I help God to do this? God is enough. Don't say that I don't have money. That I want this, I don't have money. I want money, I don't have job. Just play. Love him. Look for him. If you want to, if you give, you can give. You stay away from that which you don't. Do what you love. Believe that sin. God doesn't listen you will not give it to him. Because he doesn't listen to sins. Stay away from the sin. Do good. God will do it. God will give you whatever you are desiring. I have seen him. Yes. May the Lord bless you. For those who are